Good morning, sir. Namaskar. I am Dr. Suresh Agrawal of Raipur, a active specialist. I was having long-standing diabetes mellitus because my family history was very much positive, and I was taking 130 units of insulin daily with around 50 tablets, both allopathic and Ayurvedic drugs. I found this through net, this address of this Anandkunj. I came here for around 10 days and I underwent treatment advised by Dr. Sarang Patel and Dr. Nitin Patel, and I found it very much effective and it is very much curative. The beginning, my blood sugar is fluctuating with this insulin also not getting normal. My HbA1c was around 9, 8, something like that. But here, from the first day, my insulin was 65. They made it 65 and stopped all the drugs, and they given naturotherapy, yoga, and all this, whatever they higher kriyas. And from the third day, I stopped insulin also. And in my lifetime, when I was at around 25 years, once I have done a long fasting. After that, I could not do fasting also. But here I could do fasting around 3 days. And I was taking only in evening meal only. And while going, I have lost 5 kg weight within 10 days. And my insulin is around 140, 150 like that, and I am not taking any injections, no parenteral injections, no drugs, neither allopathy, not Ayurvedic drugs, and the atmosphere Anandkunj I found very nice, and from morning till evening, rather till 9 p.m. they were making us really busy. And we are not finding any time to do anything, rather always doing yoga, meditation, pranayam, and so many good lectures what I found. And I have gone to many naturopathy centers also. I don't know, I was getting hypoglycemic attacks 3 times, 4 times. They were stopping the food and not I don't know what was the treatment there. Because Apex Institute also I have gone, but here they are doing very nicely. I have never got once also hyperglycemic attacks, and I am underwent the treatment very smoothly. And our beloved Dr. Nitin Patel and Dr. Sarang Patel are very much good. And what I want to say that pathies are many, maybe naturopathy, maybe allopathy, maybe Ayurvedic, maybe Unani, maybe yoga, whatever you say, but sympathy is above all the most important thing. Both the brothers are like very sympathetic towards the patient. That is why we are getting results. We are bound to them and thankful to them. And my advice is that everybody who is having chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension, and also many cancer therapy, something they are also doing. I found many people's face smiles here, and they are going with good hopes. And I think it's not only curative. My advice is, before getting disease, they should come here. Young people should come and take the advice of them and practice it in home, and they get preventive aspect. Prevention is better than cure, so they should not get disease. That is why our Indian mythology says, our Yoga Sutra says, told in the ancient days also, don't get disease and be happy. Better to prevent all the diseases. We are not taking our life properly. That is why we are getting disease. What I found here, what they are telling here, I am very much thankful. Again, I am thanking them. and my best and good wishes to Anandkunj people and the group. I think this should propagate. Government should encourage them also. Thank you.
So one question. Now, without any insulin, your sugar is remaining 140. Is it right?
Yes.
Since
Yes,
last
sir.
6-7
Yes,
days.
sir. Yes, sir.
You are not taking any.
No insulin, no drugs,
Yes.
nothing.
Okay.
I am very happy with that treatment.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.